Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umair. But today in this video I will teach you that how you can claim your custom profile URL in LinkedIn. So you can see I have opened my LinkedIn, and if I go to my profile from here, so you can see my profile like linkedin.com/in/umair-but- and then you can see a bunch of random numbers and letters, alphabets. So you can see here a different combination of these things. So it looks weird when you want to share this link with someone, with your friends, with your colleagues. So instead of this complicated URL, you can claim your custom URL. So you can share that link, that URL with your friend. So how you can claim that custom URL? So we have opened, you can see the linkedin.com, my profile, and then you can see here on the top right side added public profile and URL. So we will open this option. Now here you can see different options, public profile settings, so we can control our profile and a lot of options from here. So edit your custom URL, you can see here personalize the URL for your profile. So it is showing the URL that I showed you. So here you can see a small pencil icon. So if we want to edit this, we will edit from here. So you will try to type your name or some letters you can type with your name, because maybe the name you will select that will not available. For instance, if we try my name, so you can see it is not available. So I will type here, for example, Umair, but I will try like this. So yes, this one is available. So linkedin.com/in/Umair. So now if I click on this my icon and then view profile, so you can see the profile URL now will redirect to linkedin.com/in/Umair. So you can easily claim your custom URL in LinkedIn and you can share this link with your friends. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn new things, they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.